My today's topic is fana. It is a Sufi concept where the Sufi gets the attributes or the power of Allah. That means he changes from the status of abdiayat, being a slave, to the status of ulohiyat. That means he gets the status of authority. Hence, the status of ulohiyat, he can do many things, just like he can give sight to a boy who was born blind, or he can revive a dead person, or he can revive a chicken. Stories in the Sufi literature. Uh, Now I am going to, one story is from Zakaria Kandalawi, the founder of the Tabligh Jamaat's book, and the name of the book is Akabir Ka Suluk Wo Ehsan, and this story is on the page 80 and 81. There was a person by name Khaja Ahmad Jan, and it was said that his supplications were always accepted. A lady brought his kid, who was born blind, and said him to cure this child. No, restoring the sight of a blind person was the job of Hazrat Isa. I can't do it. The lady persisted, so Ahmed Jam left that place. While he was going out, then he heard a voice from somewhere. Ilha means the sound of Allah. He said, "Go back," and he did. Just say, "Ma min kunam." That means at this time you are not alone. The Allah is in you. Ma means that is the Farsi word. That means together. That is Allah is in me and I am doing it. On the face of the child, and the the eyes of the child got sight. He was able to see. The people may think it was this word were said by the Khaja. No, Mami Kunam. These were the words. It was this words of the Allah which came from the mouth of Khaja. That means Allah was speaking from the mouth of Khaja. After hearing these words from Allah. From this story, that in the beginning, when the Khaja refused, he was in a state of abdiyat. He was a slave, a state of slave. Uh, and when he was healing the child, when he put the hand on the face of the child, uh, he got the status of ulohiyat. That means he was empowered by Allah. Narrated by Imdadullah Mahajir Makki. Okay. To a dead person, he says, "Hum bi iznillah." That means get up by the hukum of Allah. The person did not get up. After 2 or 3 times, then he said, "Hum bi izni." Get up from me. It is my order. The person got up. Just you have to believe it, because these are these stories from big Deobandi scholars. And this Imdadullah Mahajir Makki is supposed to be the Sheikhul Arab wa Ajam of the Deobans. Another story by Anwar Shah Kashmiri. Um, okay, a lady came and saw that his child is just eating a bread roti with some salt or something, and Anwar Shah Kashmiri is eating chicken. Then he said, "What is this, sir? You are eating a chicken, and my son is just eating salt, roti with salt." Then he said, "Okay, just wait." Then he said to the chicken, "Hum." Then the chicken became alive. And then the Anwar Shah Kashmiri told to the lady that when your child attains this status, that means fana fillah, then he can eat chickens. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.